Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Welding can be a good career in South Africa, offering productive employment opportunities due to its essential role in various industries like construction, manufacturing, and automotive repair. Skilled welders are in demand, and the profession can be lucrative with the right certification and experience. Engaging in continuous learning and specialization can enhance job prospects significantly. Therefore, pursuing welding as a career path can be very rewarding, especially for those interested in a hands-on, technical profession.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.